Welcome to SonaWell, wellness for your body, your work, and your life. If you are over 40 or moving into your 60s and beyond, and your body feels different, more tired, stiffer, slower to recover, you are not imagining it. And if you feel it at work too, brain fog, slower energy, pushing through the day only to collapse at night, you are not alone. Hi, I'm Sonali. I help women over 40, older adults, and the workplaces they power understand one important truth. Your body hasn't failed you. It's changing and it needs a different kind of care. Metabolism shifts, muscle changes, sleep and recovery patterns evolve. What worked at 30 doesn't work the same at 45 or 65. That's biology and that's not weakness. And when those changes collide with modern work, long hours, constant pressure, little recovery, energy and clarity suffer. I'm a dietitian and a wellness specialist who translate science into calm, practical systems, food that respects culture, movement that builds strength, not exhaustion, habits that restore energy and confidence without extremes, guilt, or overwhelm. For individuals and for leaders, we focus on metabolic health, strength, and clarity applied to real work life. You don't need to overhaul everything. You just need the right starting point. Welcome to SonaWell, wellness that works with your body and not against it.